streets. Mas okay ang snowboard. Kung magduman mo gawin mong tiin. Maglisod no?
I prefer to have that to rather than because I can move on opposite direction, unlike the other one direction only. We can do it but not this time, not as efficient as they are, because this is a ski and snowboard school, guys. Tuwang.